In this video, I want to mention one last rule around JSX. Now, I'm making a separate video out of this because I see this error come up so incredibly frequently with people who are first getting started with React. Right now, inside of my component screen component, you'll notice that I've got a return statement. And right after that, I've got an opening parenthesis. And then inside that set of parentheses, I have all of my JSX. What you see right here is the syntax of one valid way to return a multi-line JSX statement. So there's multiple lines right here. One valid way to return it is by placing the return keyword, and then a opening parenthesis, all of our JSX, and then the closing. Another valid way to return a multi-line statement is to write out just the opening tag, like so, and then all of our JSX after it. So in other words, the return statement, opening tag right after, and then everything else. The one way that is not valid, and I see a lot of beginners doing this, is to write out the return keyword and then place the opening tag right after it on a new line. This right here is interpreted by JavaScript as essentially being return nothing, like return undefined. So our JSX is not going to be returned, and we're going to end up seeing an error message inside of our application. As a matter of fact, I'll save this right now, and you'll see that, yep, sure enough, I get a really nasty error. So just remember, anytime that you want to return a multi-line JSX block, it needs to either open up on the same line as the return statement, like so, or you need to wrap it with a set of parentheses. And the opening parenthesis has to be on the same line as the return statement. So if I now save this, error message is going to very quickly go away. All right, so let's take a pause right here. When we come back in the next video, we're going to start working on our first little exercise.